Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill. It's winter driving, December 20th. I'm going to Leamington and coming back again to Mississauga for our Christmas party. So I thought better I share some winter driving tips with you. So first of all, we should put winter tires from November 1st to April 30th. That's in Ontario. Most insurance companies want for those months to have winter tires if you want discount on your insurance, plus for your own safety. Winter tires, some people are saying, oh, it's snow tires, not much snow coming, they don't need it. It is not just for snow. Winter tires good for cold weather and as well as for muddy and slushy weather and snowy conditions. So it's very important to have winter tires on. And second thing is drive with the distance and do not tailgate. That's very important. If you tailgate, you are putting yourself into trouble and hitting the vehicle in front. And once you hit the vehicle in front, either just by touching slowly or hardly, you are at fault and your insurance will go up significantly. Sometimes it goes more than double if you don't have a accident forgiveness on your policy. So if you want to know about it, give me a call. I'm an insurance broker. I can explain more about that accident forgiveness. So, and third thing is always brake slowly. Do not have sudden brakes, and especially when you are making turn, do not brake. So do not brake and turn at the same time. So your car will keep going forward if you brake and try to turn, and you will end up hitting a pole or something or go in the ditch. So that's very, very important. And for the claims, many people, I'm an insurance broker, they call me, oh no, it was not my fault. Because of bad weather, my car slided into another vehicle in front or gone into the ditch. It doesn't matter. It was snow, bad weather, it's still your fault if you end up hitting the pole or car in front or go into ditch, and you will be considered at fault. So it's very careful on that. Most importantly, forget about insurance for your own safety. It's very important to drive safely and protect yourself, protect your life, and protect other people's life while you are driving. In Canada, weather can change suddenly, and make sure you have a torch light with you in the car and one blanket if you can possibly for winter conditions. So have winter gear with you so that in case you get stuck, so you need to have that kind of protection with you. Maybe if possible, if you can have a small shovel to dig yourself up from the snow if you got stuck. And make sure check the weather before you go out. Sometimes it happens, many times we feel from the GTA area, Greater Toronto area, there's not much snow and the weather looks fine. And once you start driving to the outskirts, to the northern part or eastern or western part, and we see lots of snow on the way, and road is covered with snow and very, very slippery and wintry conditions, and for which we are not prepared for. So always check the weather in the winter time before you go, not just the area where you are, but also the area where you're going and on the way in between. So that's very important, and happens to me many times and happened to other people. That's how I learned, and that's so it's good information for you if you are not familiar with the Canadian winter and sudden snow and sudden bad weather. So always check. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel, and all the best and happy holidays and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.